If your child has a specific learning difference such as dyslexia, dyspraxia, or they're very young, age 7+, this Gentle Pace Junior Touch Typing course is the one for them. Helping your child to get all of their wonderful thoughts and ideas down onto paper through learning to touch type is going to be life-changing for them. Sometimes though, your child may feel quite overwhelmed when they're learning something new or when faced with lots of new things to learn at once. And this is why our specialist course is so brilliant. This is a rolling course with no set end date, so your child will feel confident going at their own pace. We break down the lessons into smaller bite-sized modules to avoid overloading the muscle memory. Knowledge will build slowly through lots of repetition, where your child will learn letter pairs, words and simple sentences. Learning in this way helps to make the learning easy, fun and achievable. As with all of our courses, your child will never be learning on their own. They will have their own dedicated typing tutor who will monitor their progress, tailor their lessons and give you detailed written feedback every week. This continued support helps to boost confidence and motivation, giving your child the best chance of success. Lessons are designed with easy to follow, can't go wrong online videos, which show follow along finger positioning together with audio instructions throughout. Together with feedback from your tutor, your child will know exactly what they need to do and how to do it. With this flexible course, your child can complete their practice from home on any day at any time, so that it fits in easily around their schoolwork and hobbies. They'll get to choose when they do their practice and for how long, and we recommend they practice for approximately 10 minutes per day. By the end of the course, your child will have learnt how to touch type all of the keys on the keyboard, and we'll invite them to join our follow-on course, where they will carry on with their typing skills, learning additional exercises such as shift, punctuation and speed work. If you would like to get your child typing confidently for school and future exams, please click on the Book Now button or give us a call if you have any questions.